Hello,
Hello.
can you able to hear me? Hello,
Hello.
hello. Sir, கேக்குதா? Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. Okay.
Uh, Good morning, all. So today we'll talk about the some of the ICT tools, like how will you interact with the students using um, uh, using online tools. So uh, there is a lot of tools available for the faculties to interact with the students in the by using online communities, like submit our assignments, we'll take the classes through live, as well as you will have a post a quiz to the students, and lot of things are there. So let's wait for other participant will come for a couple of minutes, then we'll start our session.
So, any doubts? You can ask at any time. Okay. So let's wait for other participants will come.
So we'll start our session. Uh, so
சார் லைவ் ப்ரோக்ராம் வருது பாருங்க நம்ம நடத்துறது பேசுறது லைவ் ப்ரோக்ராம் வருது பாருங்க. Hello. So today we'll talk about the importance of ICT tools uh, uh, using online tools. So the first tool for ICT is will interact with the students using Edmodo app. So the app is Edmodo app. Um, so you can start with the first thing using Edmodo app. So if you are a faculty, you log in with the teacher app, and there are three way to access your Edmodo. One is teacher and student and parent. So you'll sign up your thing using your mail ID or your Gmail account or your office account. So we'll start the we'll mail. I'll sign through my Gmail account. So this is my dashboard of my Edmodo app. So I had already created my Edmodo app for the students. So what you can do is there is so this is the overall view of your Edmodo app. So there is a plenty of menu option in the Edmodo app. So like from home, view, progress, library, messages, notification, etc. etc. So you want to create a class. There are three options: create a class, manage a class, and join a class. Suppose you want to create a class. So this semester you are taking any classes for the students. So suppose I want to write English. So I want to take my English for the first year students. So this is my class is going to be English, and you can give the grade for the students. So starting from pre-KG to higher education, and the subject area is like related to world languages, and select the subject is if any subject is there you can choose using like German, Italian, Japanese, etc., etc. Okay, all or okay, you can change the color also, you can change the Edmodo color also. Okay, create. So it will be, I'm creating the class called English. It has the class code of AZIZ70. This can be shared to your students. Okay, so students can able to download the Edmodo app using a Play Store, or they will using web app, they will go to the this website edmodo.com. Edmodo, the same website, the same website. They will log in their Gmail account, and this code can be, suppose I can copy this code. Then suppose the students want to join this course, they will click this link called join a group. Then they can paste this link and they can join the classes. So I'm the organizer. So I'm the teacher. So I'm create a class. So that the class group ID can be shared to the students. The student can log in their account, and they can put their account ID in the joining a class menu. Then they can join it. So this is the way we can. This is the way we can go for create a class. Okay. So this is the way we can do the thing. Okay. So I'm the organizer, and I'm the teacher. So I'm not able to join within my class. So that's a problem. Okay. So we can add the students also. The next step is you can add the students also. Student, we can add it through this first name, last name, or we can keep on adding anything like Ram, Rajesh. Okay, then add it. Okay, then we can add a number of students using this add students option. Okay, so a lot of plenty of options are there. So this is the way we can go for the Edmodo app. And for giving any assignments, like any assignments you want to give to the students, you click this post link. Okay, so you are in the class of English. So any notes you can give to the student, you can post it in the Edmodo apps like, hi, welcome to all for English class. So you can post this link to your students, and in the English link students, they can able to view this link. Okay, so hi, welcome to our link. Then you are supposed to put your assignments in the title of like language linguistics. So you can post the assignment to the students, and you can prepare a due date for the students like 38 2018 for set up the time. So automatically it closed night 12:45 p.m. And any description you want to give for language linguistic example, anything you want to give to the students, like any keywords or like any keywords you are supposed to unite in give to. So you can add any attachment also, it's possible. You can add any attachment like pictures, like these pictures I want to upload this picture. So you can give open options. The format is not supported, I think so, because it's a exe file. So I will sample of this document. I'll upload this into the my assignment link. So this is some example for the students which they can understand about the assignment. The keywords I will given to this assignment, language linguistics, and I will give, or any link, any website link you can give through this uh, this website, any website link. Suppose for the students will understand. Link also we can copy, and we can give to the paste it to the link. Okay, and any examples like, okay, so we can attach it. So any URL are embedded, you can www.nanu.edu you can give to the students, attach it. So this attachment is there, and if you want to add any library from the link, you can also add it, and a Google Drive option you can store it. Okay, so there is a plenty of opportunities are there. Upon added anything else, you can add it. So sent to the students, those who are joining the link. Those there is no person who join the links, so they can join. Okay. So any students in the list, they'll be suppose the Jansi Rana is sending the link, and it is supposed to send the sample to the link. Okay, I'm adding this link. If any list of students are there, you can select this link. Using this select this link, you can add it. Okay, so there is a plenty of opportunities are there. Okay, so this is a way you can do it for the assignment link. Okay, any keywords you can give. So the class code is no one is joining the link. So add students using class code. When the students is came, then we can send to the assignment. Suppose I had another assignment. I posted to the students. I'll show you. Uh, so in my class GCC, I was supposed to give any assignment to the students like uh, um, today's thought. Today's thought. Okay. So I'll send to the students. Select the due date. You can select any due date for the assignment description. Any topic you can choose it. Okay, then you can send to the students. So that's all. So it will be posted to my students, like posted to GCC teacher, posted today's start. Turn how many pupils are there. Okay, so we can check it. Okay, turn to the so I had some 39 students in my class. So it will be the 39 students turned in. So these are the students list. Using their copy option, they can paste it. So there are the 39 students are in my class, and suppose I want to give any graded, so for submitting their assignment, I should give the graded. So all 39 are, so suppose if they are supposed to submit their assignment, then I can go to enter and give the total of 10 out of 10, then save. So this is the way we can do for grading, graded option to all the students. Okay. uh, the content is not there. If any content is he or she is submitted, it will be coming here. It will be displayed here. Any content like Word, PDF, or something else, it will be okay. I'll show the another example. Like my students, my third year students, final year students who submitted their assignment. I'll show the another thing. Example. Uh, Grid services is the assignment I was given to my students. Uh, So last date is one day before I was given a due date, and some 39 students were graded like this. Graded, they was given the graded grade marks, 9 out of 10 or 10 out of 10 or something else. So this is the way I was given a graded sheet to the students. Okay, 10 out of 10, 9 out of 10, etc., etc. Okay, so all 39 students were there currently. Okay, so how will you if suppose to I want to download this all the students mark list, then you can go to the progress menu, select your class name. So my class name is in GCC. So these are the students graded. So 10 out of 10, 9 out of 10, etc., etc. Then after that you can export, or you can export this option, or add any grades. Enter grade name, like for 10 out of 10 I'll give supposed to grade of outstanding. Outstanding, default total is 10. Then I can create. Okay, so the outstanding is 10 out of 10. The students, those who are secured 10 out of 10, then they will be the outstanding. Okay, then the students can score 9 out of 10, then I'll be posted as good. Okay. So this is the way we can go for grades for the students. Okay. So for today's start, I was given to assignment to the students. So it will become the assignment whenever the students was submitted their assignment, it will be given the grades that will be coming here. Okay. So export all these files. Export can export your score sheet to the students using this CSV option. Okay. CSV will show your students marks in Excel sheet. Okay. Excel sheet. So grid services total, how many marks you are secured. Okay, so it will show student's name, first name, and if supposed to post a 10 assignment, then 10 assignment score will be displayed in a single Excel sheet. Okay, so this is the way we can go for your mobile. So this is the progress way, progress menu option. Suppose you want to post any quiz to the students. Okay, and the same options are available. Go to the particular class, quiz option, create a quiz. Then you can select multiple choice question, add first question. So question, any question. Who invented the bulb? You can give an option of like ABC, or option of D. Then uh, Alva Edison. Then you can add another four options also, like RKS. Okay. Then response is set as correct answer is let us correct answer Thomas Alva Edison. Okay. So after completion, you can load another questions also. Okay, you can load another question. Second question using this menu, plus menu. You can go for second question, etc. etc. Okay, like you see, Tirkolai, Tirkolai is located at which district? Option A, Nahai. Option B, Tiruvarur. Likewise, you can add it. Okay, so set as correct answer is so. Okay. So after clicking this, you can give the pasted as an option. Okay, so loading. So it was loaded to the students. The due date is you can set for due date is August 23. Sent. Okay, so I posted a quiz called Untitled and two questions ahead. The students will answer the questions using this tool. Okay, so this is the way we can post it. And for poll, it was very easy. Poll is basically put whether you have to give there are two options, yes or no, or send some any options you can give. Okay, like uh, today date is 2A 2018. The first option is yes, second option is no. Then you can send to your students. Likewise, you can do any. So today date is 2 8. So the students will vote depends on their dashboard. The same question will be replicated into their dashboard. They will view. They can view this link and they will answer it. The same thing quiz and assignment also. Sure. So this is the way we can do for in Edmode app. Okay. And the library and it was loaded any library. So what are the documents we had given to the students that will be given to stored in the library. You can store it in this to OneDrive or Google Drive also. Okay. Any message you want to convey, you can give the message icon also is there. You want to chat with your group members using this message option. Okay, and notification and what are all the grades you given to the students and any students submitted their assignment that will be uh, posted here. Notification to teacher from the students or anybody those who are joining our class. Okay, so invite Edmodo app. You can share the Edmodo link to the other persons using the invite options. Okay, so these are the way we can do it in the Edmodo app. Yeah. So these are the other five connection. My professor had connected Sivaram sir, Pradeep sir, Gopinath sir, Prasanna Venkatesh, and Vijay Babu sir. See, this is the first one in the ICT tool. You can post your classes, your assignments to this Edmodo app. And next one we go for call Google Classroom. You go to the website google.com. So you type Google Classroom. 1 minute, 1 minute. 11 o'clock one now. So Google Classroom. So this is the Google Classroom link you have. So you can log in through this link using your Gmail account. Uh, so this is the account, Gmail account. You want to create a class or let's give this class, create a class. So I have read the permissions and continue my class. So suppose I want to create any class like physics section CSC, like sorry, this class is third year, subject is physics. Then create. So created a physics class for the students, third year CSC students. So anything you want to give to the students, the same which you had seen in the Edmod app. Okay, any work you can do it. No work you have to do it, and any assignments you will give it to the students. The same thing. Add topic, any topic laser you can add to the students. Laser you add to the students. Okay, so all the topics is there, and students link, the students link, invite the students using the class code of code, the same code. So cancel. So the code can be shared to the students. So any students can join this class using this code, same as in the Edmodo class codes. Okay. So this is the way we can go for the Google Classroom. Okay. And the third we go for important app is called Class 123. Class 123 is the another app. The website is class123.ac. So this is the very good app. You you given your credential to the students using this mobile app. Okay? So you can sign up as a teacher, parent, or student. So suppose I'm a teacher, then give my name. Then sign up. So for thank you for sign up. That's all easy. So it will go to my class. Uh, uh, so I want to add class here. It's the same thing. So my class information is physics, grade, some others grade, add my class, and so in the class we can add the students also. Like you can copy and paste the student names also here. Um Vijay, Rahul. Likewise, you can add any number of students. So these are the students list I had added. Okay, and I'll give any cards to the students like uh, input gender you can give, Vijay is male, TR is female, or anything else you can give. Likewise, you can give for any number of students with their gender. Okay, and successfully you had created the classes. If you want to add any photos, you can show the photos also. Okay, any photos you can upload it for the particular students, like name Vijay, you can add any photos, so you can choose any photo from the your system and you can upload it. Okay, clear. And close the class. So my class is physics, had dashboard has created. So this is the class of physics. So you wanted to score any students using this score sheet. Okay, and class code tracker is a very important thing. You can give the your credential to the students based on their work, so which ability they can work. Okay, so this is what very important thing. Okay, so so the goal setting is very important. Okay, so the add the goals to the particular students is important. Okay, so my class is students. So suppose I can click Vijay. So I'll give the wow is the options which will give the credential to the students using this option. Wow. So the wow, when you're clicking the wow option, the students has their particular responsibility. So he will be the great attitude in the class, marvelous work at the home. That is homework. He has done the homework is very excellent manner. Great class participation, outstanding teamwork, responsibility of job, always does the best and highly clip the others. So I'll put as the great attitude in the class for the first person, like when the Vijay had 1 point, segregate to 1 point. So his uh, goal is he was very good in the class, so I was given the grade of 1. Suppose I want to give attendance for the students. Attendance, okay. Absent students cannot be awarded. You can change the attendance records and analytical report. Absent days, okay. So this is what very important. Okay. So Rahul is present, TR is present, XF is present, TT, Y. So confirm. Okay. So this way the attendance can be presented. Okay. Okay. So attendance we give it here. Okay. So next one is the managing records. I was given to the Vijay in the report. Okay. So view by seat making seating chart. You can do it for students. So you can manually add a group or automatically you can add a group. Okay. So like Vijay, except can be the done can be the one group. Uh, Practice for practicing the group activity. You can do it here. Done. Please name any group name for your classes. Group A. Done. Okay. So this is the group A class. If any number of class uh, you can add to the students. Yeah. And when you go for community and you have community, you have votes, wow together and home wow. I'll show it how wow together. So how many person who have got wow uh, uh, in a combined way, in a together way, they have wow together. Okay. So I'm giving student send wow together like this. That's very kind of you send, and you are amazing send. So tomorrow only I am giving. Okay, one is giving to the vows and send vows to the your amazing, like this I am giving for daily based on the students appreciation. Will send the answer totally. We can use totally 20 vows. Okay, so likewise we can give to the students. Okay, each student can send 4 walks a day and a total of 20 walks per month. Each student can send a 3 walks or a month to certain students. Student cannot send walks or how many others have received. Okay, and home wow together and home wow for uh, individual wow. Okay, individual wow, so they can start it. Okay, this is the way we can choose it for class 1 2 3. Okay. Any messages you are given to the students? It'll give the messages option, private and announcement. Any option? And the main trick of this class 1 to 3 is not only students can listen this app, simultaneously teacher and the parent will also know the status of the students at any time. Okay, so this is applicable for parents and students also. Okay, parents and students also. So invites and parents and students. So okay, this is the app. When you are giving the parents and students, the one PDF file will be generated. So what is the PDF file in sense? You had created your own class. So the code will be generated for students and parents. To generate the students, the teacher will generate the codings for both parent and student. So the students can go to this website student dot student dot class 23 dot ac. Student can go to the class. So students, this is the website for students. They can either download the mobile app from Play Store, or they will using web app. They can uh, view the classes. So suppose, so are new to the class, sign up. Your username like Ram, you likewise you will given. So sign up is completed. So student code, you the student code will be generated here. 1 minute. So upon clicking this teacher link, it will generate the parents code, students and parents codes. Likewise, I had created a student list, so you can invite the students and parents using this codes. Okay, download codes. So the same way, the parent also can log in their app using parent.class123.ac. Parent.class123.ac link. So the parent can log in their same, create their account, visit parent.ac.in on mobile device like the Play Store as well as the desktop. Sign up, email account, successfully signed up. Okay, so parent code. So here the parent code and student's code was created. Student can access their code. They can go to this link, copy. So I had created the physics class now. So whenever this copy and post it to the student link, paste it. Then it will connect. So your sorry, yeah, this is parent link. Sorry, student's code only we had created. Connect. Okay. So successfully connected, you are Vijay, and you have got one wow today. So the wow was given by the faculty, that is teacher, to the students based on their attitude in the class. He has great participation or something else, and the student teacher also given a very good points, credit points using golden ink. Okay, I'll show how we'll give the golden. Okay, this is for the student app, student list. You using their code of access the code. They'll go to the website student.class.ac.in, or they can download their mobile app class 123 and sign up using student. Okay, faculty can sign up using teacher, students can sign up using student, and parent can sign up their phone using parent.class123.ac.in. Okay, and for parent, they can copy this link and they can go to the website parent.class123.ac.in, parent code, you paste it, connect. As a father, mother, grandmother, grandfather, anybody can join in this. Father connected to the student. So Vijay is your son or your daughter has got one vows today. He was, so we can click this link and which vow he had created. So he has got great attitude in the class. So parents record by points by date. So today I was given, yesterday I was given 1 point to the student. So based on the faculty given to the students appreciation, that will be also displayed in the father's in the parents. Clear? So this way we can go for class 123 mobile app. Okay, and you want to supposed to go to the physics class. So parent student account and sharing of any information. You can using your email account, you can share any class exam. Likewise you can, so a card will be the points which you was given to the students, and this is your students profile. Okay, cancel. And class, this is great for others. Okay, and you want to share your LinkedIn memo, yes or no? Okay, or anything you can get, share your views, share both wow and nano records, and parents should just link for sharing your things. Okay, then any you want support timing given any timer for the particular enter the subject like physics, edit option will give physics subject. You want to given any task to the students within the time limit, they will finish it up, so we'll give the start option. Okay, then give the start, then it will be countable, and within the time limit the students can submit their activity. Okay, and alarm, stopwatch, noise meter. Supposed to the class is noise, your class is audible or it's more noise, you can reduce it by noise meter. Clear? And there are lot of options are there. Chalkboard option, you can take your class using the you can take your class using the chalkboard option. Likewise, likewise you can taking the class using the chalkboard thing. Okay, to the students, the interactive student. Okay, likewise you can share this to your computer boards like this. You can in the board also you can share it. Okay, use board students. Next, add board command, students and command post the news boards. Add. So the board will be given here. Okay, any boards to be given here. Okay, share to the assignments or attachment also. You can share this attachment to your students also. Okay, so this is the way we can do it for classes. Okay, so any schedule we can create any schedule, done it. Okay, you can give any schedules. Okay, any attachment you can attach it. any attachment like within 5 MB you can attach it. So uploading. So any file you can upload it. Any link you can upload it using www dot any link anani.edu. Any link you can upload it. Okay. Name no university. Name Anna university. You can add it. Okay. Anything you can add it through this link. Okay. So this is the way we can go for attaching the link. Okay. And any announcement you will supposed to give, you can give as announcement. And any award multiple any announcement you can post to your students. Okay. So I'm taking the seminar schedule and month wise. Okay, right. Okay. So any report you want to take, any analytical report. So how many classes, how much grades you are given to the students. That is a whole class. How many vows you are given, notes you are given, the total point, and attendance for every day, absent, late attendance, left early, sort by the name for the students. You will give to the students based on name, based on most vows, and you can sort it by more number of sort by number, more number of names, and most vows given he got it, and most no's he got it, and highest points. Okay, so this you can print it this all this by using the print report option. Okay, uh, so within the range, suppose I am giving the August 1 today print report. So suppose you had created any records, then it will be available. Okay. So upon completion of any month or anything, you can given the vows, total vows, no's, and etc. etc. It will be coming to the print report options. Okay. So that's all about the class 123 mobile app. So with this app, you go to this website and you can you'll go to this website and you can you go to the mobile app. Yeah. So this is the way we can taking class at it. So this is the way we can do it for the online. Okay. So this is the way we can free. So this is the way we can go it for your thing. Okay. And the last but not the least, the last one is called app. It's called Kahoot.it. Mobile app is called Kahoot.it. Kahot.it. Kahoot.it. You can create a interactive quiz to your students. Interactive quiz program to your students using this mobile app. Okay, and you create a quiz using this option is called Kahoot.com and Kahoot.com and log in your account or sign up your thing. Create any quiz program using this mobile app. Username is your username or password is suppose giving the password to the students. Okay. Okay. So this is your dashboard of your Kahoot app. Suppose you want to create the quiz to the students, you will go to this new K, that is new Kahoot. Okay. You want to create any quiz program to the students like this. Okay. Quiz, you can create quiz, jumble, poll, survey, anything you can create. You can create Kahoot.it also. So title quiz, description, politics, audience, university, credit 1000, introduction video you can do, or it's optional. Okay, go. Maybe later. First question. Hmm. Father of our nation. Gandhi, Nehru, uh, or something else. Okay. So the correct answer you must give the right option is correct. Okay. This is the correct answer. It will be replicated in the green color. The next question. Suppose to give any question, any number of questions you can ask. Okay. Give the correct answer. Then next. Okay. So upon the, create the question, you can save this option, and I'm done. I'm done. Okay. So this will be played to your students using, they are downloading this mobile app. Mobile app is called Kahoot mobile app, which is available in the Play Store, Kahoot, or they will use kahoot.it, they can play it. Okay. I'll generate the codings. So quiz program, I can challenge, I'll give challenge to the students. End date, you can set the date also. Create. So they can use this link, either they will go to this website, or in the mobile app they can copy this link. Okay, so you can copy this link, and I can paste it here. Enter. The pin number is 0801085. Okay, they will play using this, using the mobile app. Okay, play, or suppose we give the play options. Suppose any students will be there, they will go to Kahoot mobile app. Uh, I'll give the options of classic. So classic. So I generate the questions. The students, those who are joined in this, so the students can go to either web app using kahoot.it, or they will download the mobile Kahoot app and enter their pin. Okay. Suppose if you have a mobile phone, you would download the mobile app using Kahoot, and you can do it. Okay. Okay. So this can be shared to your students. Okay. Suppose I'll play. I'll play because no one will be attending the session. 543 7. So I'll enter my code and giving my name Ramprakash. So it will be coming to the code. Ramprakash is coming here. I'm using my mobile Kahoot. I log in the Kahoot mobile app and given the code, and it will be given to the class. So I start my session. Two questions are ready. For the first question is father of our nation. I'm giving the first option is correct. Okay. Next I go for next question. The second question, some same example. Second question also right. So your score will be displayed here, and you can get the results, and you can save the results by direct download by the Excel sheet will be coming download. Okay, Excel sheet will be coming, and you can download it this way. Okay, so your final score will be coming. Okay, so this is what the Kaggle model. So is that so? Thank you for watching my session. So these are the important tools we are discussed for ICT. Edmodo mobile app, and Google classwork, and third one is we have discussed class 1 to 3, and final one is Kaggle. Thank you very much for watching my session. Thank you. Any doubt you can ask. Any doubts? Sir, any doubt you can ask through your control panel, or I can I mute it. You can ask any question.
So, Guru sir, Vijay Babu sir, any doubts you have? Vijay Babu sir, any doubts you have? Vijay Babu sir, any doubts? Vijay Babu sir, any doubts? Hello, hello.